Let us convert this decimal number into a fraction. This kind of decimal number is a non-terminating but repeating decimal, which means 5.25 and a bar over it means 5.25, 25, 25, and it keeps on repeating. It is non-terminating, it is not the end of it, but there is a repetition of 25 every time. So the process is, let's take 5.25, 25, 25 equal to x, and this is your first equation. Now if you multiply by 100 both the sides, then what happens? The decimal from here goes after two numbers, so it will be 525.252525, and this is your second equation. And then you subtract equation 1 from 2, which means you subtract x from 100x, and on the other side you subtract 5252525 and 5.252525. As you can see, subtracting on the right hand side, this term after the decimal is vague, it will be cancelled, and 525 minus 5 will be 520, and 100 minus x is 99x. Now this x will become 520 by this 99 will be divided on the right hand side, so your answer will be 520 by 99. And this is how you convert a repeating but non-terminating decimal into a fraction. Thank you.